Hello and welcome back to the channel. Here we have Audi TT8S, latest model, the current TT model. This is the TTS actually, which is the sportier version, and we just complete several upgrades which we want to show you. So to start with, parking sensors. The car came with no sensors whatsoever, so we've done the front and rear original Audi sensors. I'm going to show you here now the addition that we've done. So the one is here, then you've got them in the grille as well. Same on the other side here, and one here, and the same thing at the back, which is let me just show you. So the rear ones are here, as you can see. In addition to the sensors, we've also done the reversing camera. So if I lift this now, this is it. So that's the reversing camera that we've added to the car. So the car had nothing in terms of the parking aids, neither the camera, no sensors. So we've added that to this now, and let me show you how it performs. Right, so we've got the engine now running. I'm gonna select the reverse gear, and you'll be able to see the reversing camera there with the moving guidelines. So they turn left and right with the steering wheel. At the same time, you'll be able to see here the parking sensors. So you've got the rear and the front. So let me just drive forward so I can demonstrate how they pick up objects. If you can see, I'm approaching this little post here, and it's already telling me there with the red line, so that I'm basically next to it, which is here. So if I reverse now, there you go. I can reverse just using the camera, and as you can see, helping me park this car as well in the space. And if I just reverse, there you go. I can see my red line there. So you've got the bumper, which helps a lot parking this car, because the view, as you can see here, you really don't see there any where the car ends. So it's really helpful to have this kit. You can have it just the sensors, or you can have both camera and the sensors at the same time. So it's very useful, and yeah, it can be done it is done to the factory specification as always, including 3 years warranty. If you would like to know more or would like to check your car compatibility, just get in touch with us. Links are in the description. Thank you once again for joining us and watching this video, and until the next one, thank you. Bye bye.